In this episode of Teslacam Stories.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Tesla Tunity captured this example of synchronized driving while driving in his Tesla. Mitch BAUER was approaching a red light in his Tesla when he witnessed this accident. A white Toyota Highlander clipped the front of a car that was attempting to run the red light and flipped over. This is a great example of why you should never run a red light. Ankit was driving his Model 3 when he witnessed this strange accident. Based on what he observed, the family in the truck was fine with no obvious injuries. They were shaken up a bit like anyone would be in this situation. The sedan was likely totaled with the airbags deploying on impact. As seen in the video, the driver was able to open the door and exit the vehicle, and the passenger appeared to be okay as well. Ankit says, "I happened to be right there and the Teslacam captured the whole footage that I provided to the investigating authorities. Hope everyone feels better, especially the kids." Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. Paul COCKERTON was driving his Model 3 in Auckland, New Zealand when he captured a clip of this cat attempting to cross the street. The cat lost one of its 9 lives, but managed to make it safely across the street. In this clip, John ABELLA has to back up his Tesla in Pennsylvania. This clip happened to iDog63 on Richards Boulevard in Sacramento, California. The victim didn't leave the scene. iDog63 says he believes they stopped just around the corner to exchange information. Tesla was only 32 days old when this happened. The scratch is about 2 inches long and 1/4 inches wide at its widest point and goes all the way through the paint to the metal. The repair estimate came to $700, and the woman responsible has not been found. If you liked this video, please share, like, and subscribe.